Space wants you gone, not because it's evil, because physics doesn't play nice. First shocker, if I stepped outside a spacecraft without a suit, I wouldn't explode. I'd pass out in about 15 seconds as oxygen left my blood. Moisture on my tongue would start to boil at body temperature because of the vacuum. Not Hollywood explosive, just extremely, immediately bad. The fix? A spacesuit that's basically a mini spaceship. It holds pressure around 4.3 psi. It can have up to 14 layers. Layers stop micrometeoroids. Layers also hold in heat. Speaking of heat, space is both scorching and freezing. In sunlight near Earth, unshaded metal can hit 250 degrees. In shadow it can drop to 250 degrees. There's no air to spread heat, so spacecraft use radiators. They use insulation and gold foil that reflects infrared. That shiny blanket isn't for looks, it's a thermostat. Radiation is the quiet threat. Earth's magnetic field shields most of it. Outside the Van Allen belts, cosmic rays and solar storms slice through DNA. Apollo astronauts reported flashes in their vision as particles hit their retinas. Engineers track dose in sieverts. They stack water. They use polyethylene. Or, they huddle in storm shelters during events. Then, there's speed. The ISS orbits at 7.66 kilometers per second. At that speed, a paint fleck hits like a bullet. The station uses a Whipple shield, a thin bumper that shatters debris. Multiply debris by debris, and you get Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction. That's why operators plan deorbit end-of-life moves. Inside a spacecraft, danger looks weird. Fire in microgravity forms a blue spherical flame that burns cooler and sneaks around corners. Air doesn't rise, so smoke detectors need fans to pull samples. Your own breath can trap CO2 around your face unless life support stirs and scrubs the air. Your body changes too. You can lose 1% of bone mass per month. Fluids shift to your head, your face puffs up, your legs thin, your inner ear throws a tantrum. Astronauts fight back with 2 hours of daily exercise. Sometimes they use a vacuum pants device to pull blood down. Re-entry is like riding a meteor. You slam into air, shock it to plasma at thousands of degrees. Comms black out. You rely on a heat shield that ablates, sacrifices itself to keep you cool. And the moon? The dust is razor fine and electrostatically clingy. It's abrasive enough to sandpaper suits and lungs. Future missions will need dust locks and smart filters to keep habitats alive. Here's the fun fact. Every system in space is a clever hack. Pressure, heat, radiation, debris, biology, all balanced at once. Space isn't trying to kill us. It just makes us earn every second we survive up there.